Are you ready to unleash your inner bombshell curls with this quick and easy wig layering technique? Whether you're into side part or middle part, this video will guide you to create irresistible voluminous curls that will leave you feeling like a Hollywood star. Starting with sectioning off the hair to either a side part or a middle part. I went with the side part. Comb the hair of the side part forward to help you see what you're working with. Grab a small section of hair, decide on where you want your layers to start, and tie it down using a rubber band. Grab the next section and tie it lower than the first section, something like this. Repeat the same process, making sure that the section you're tying is always lower than the one before it. I hope I'm very clear. And going to the next part, which is cutting the layers. So remove the hair tie from the first section and cut the hair in a slant motion using some pair of scissors. Going to the next section, remove the hair tie, cut the hair in a slant motion. Doing the same thing on the other side. Remove, cut, remove, cut. When done, you can go back and cut any hair that looks out of place. And these layers look smooth, baby. This is absolutely very easy. And you can do it. And can you see how this curls turned out? It's giving elegant boss lady. And if you want to be one, you better subscribe to see how I made these curls in the next video.